Okay, now it's time to connect the wires through, or start threading the wires through. So we've got the mirror cover rested on the bonnet, and it's probably best to start with one wire and thread it through into the hole. So if we look down into the hole, we can see the sunlight down through the hinge, and we can pass the wire down in. Okay, and then if we pass it down slowly, we should see it coming out the bottom. Okay, so that's the first wire through. And then what we'll do is we'll tape these other two wires onto that wire and pull it through. Okay, so we've just taped those together quickly, and we pull that through now. We can feed all those through. Okay, now we can still leave the mirror cover on the bonnet until we've got all the wiring checked and sorted. Okay, so we can leave that there. We've got enough length there. And what we've got to do now is our bit of wire that we've got here. Okay, we can then tape that single wire through there. Okay, run on a little bit extra with the tape so it's got more grip onto the rod. Okay, like so, and make sure the ends nice and smooth so there's nothing to catch or snag as it comes through. Okay, and then if I go around to the other side here and you watch from the end, you should be able to pull this. Feed it from the one, and we've got the door open, so we can feed it as well as pull. Okay, so that's the first one through, and then gently pull. Okay, there we go, and that's all the three. Okay, so now we're at a stage where we can stick the mirror onto the mirror cover onto the mirror. So the first thing we need to do is get the length of the wires correct. Okay, and we can do a trial fit just to check that everything fits and goes on like so. Okay, and when you're happy with the fit, the next thing you need to do is to use one of these solvent wipes provided in the kit. Okay, open it up and give it a clean. So obviously this will remove any dirt and polish residue that's on the mirror cover, that will stop it from sticking. Okay. Right, and then the next thing we need to do is remove the backing from the 3M double-sided tape. So there's one piece, two. Pieces. Okay, now additionally in the kit we do supply some silicone adhesive. Okay, so I want to just apply some blobs of silicone adhesive. Okay, like so. Okay, and then making sure we don't get the wires trapped, put this corner on first, and then swivel that round. Okay, and gently press like so. Okay, right, now we're ready to come inside the car and start connecting the wires. So we've got the wires tight. Check there's no wires hanging down in the hinge area. When you've got these the right length, right, we need to cut these and join the connectors. Okay, so the black wire, let's take these one at a time, is earth. Okay, and we're going to connect this to the side repeater wire. So you see these two wires coming through by the speaker here. So if you just zoom out to get the location, so here's the main speaker. They're just up to the left of the main speaker, and we've got a black and a green wire with a red stripe. So the black wire is going to connect to the black, which is the earth. Okay, so we'll cut that, and then we'll use one of these Scotch type connectors, these Scotch lock connectors, okay, to connect into that black wire. Okay, so these have got, okay, both wires going straight through. So you clamp this round, the wire like so, and then the other wire that's going in, okay, we can feed that through. Okay, and then just push him back so he's just below flush. Okay, and then really the best thing to do is get a pair of pliers, okay, and compress that down. Okay, and then push over the clip to hold that in place. Okay, like so. Okay, so we'll do that, and then we'll do the green wire onto the green wire for the side repeater, and then the white wire needs to connect. Okay, on the door at the top here, just below the mirror, you've got these clips that you can unclip, and the wire you're looking for is this one here, the purple wire with the white stripe. Okay, so the white wire, again, we need to cut it to length. Okay, thread the connector through. Okay, poke the white wire through the second hole, just so he's through the area. Okay, close up the metal blade that obviously forms the connection. Okay, obviously we've used pliers rather than cutters like I was doing there. Okay, and then clip that over until it clips. Okay, so we've got the black wire going to the black on the side repeater, the green wire going to the green with red stripe, and the white wire going to the purple with white stripe. Okay, also supplied in the kit some zip ties or cable ties, and what we'll do there is just use a couple of them just to tidy up the wires so they're not in a place where they're going to get chafed or damaged. Okay, trim that to length. Okay, and that's the job ready. We're ready to put the door card back on now. We'll do another video how to remove the door card, so you can see how to get that off.